1. Which part of the eye is responsible for controlling the amount of light that enters? Answer A. Iris. 2. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for absorbing most of the nutrients from food? Answer B. Small intestine. 3. Which of the following is not a part of the central nervous system? The correct answer is letter C. Nerves. 4. Which organ produces insulin in the human body? Letter C. Pancreas is the correct answer. 5. Which of the following bones is not found in the human arm? Fibula is the correct answer. 6. Which of the following is not a part of the respiratory system? Answer D. Stomach. If you enjoyed these questions, please follow, like, and share our videos.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.